We're at Gullivers and we've got Antelope ERT. We're at Gullivers, aren't we? Gullivers World.
Gullivers World in Warrington.
The world of Gullivers. And we've got an extra special little ride, haven't we, here today?
Do.
So we're going to be riding Antelope for an hour, all to ourselves in our little group here. Thank you to Mark and Stacey and Love2Explore for organising this.
Yeah.
Right, well, we've never been here. Should we go inside, get some riding, do our anteloping? Minions, we're going in off. Wow, look, first impressions. This looks very nice, doesn't it?
Pretty, isn't it?
I've got a bit of vibes from somewhere. I can't remember where actually, though. I don't know where, but it reminds me of something.
Oh, it's really cute.
Yeah, so this is just our first little reaction.
Really quick look at the map.
Yeah, let's have a quick look at the map here just as we're going down. So we're going to Antelope. Where's Antelope, Ev? Can we see it? You guys have probably spotted that. I assume it's that one.
Antelope, yeah.
Well, our group's gone, so we best go catch him up quick. Let's go. I think we've made it out.
We have, and they've put the music on.
The music's on. So we are at the Antelope.
Fun fact for you.
We know why it's called Antelope.
That was the ship's name.
It sank.
Yes.
We don't know the full story. But there should be a big octopus somewhere.
There should be. That's the reason why people think it's weird, because there's an octopus. It's called Antelope. But yeah, that's the ship.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kate.
45-minute wait have we got?
Not from here, not for us.
Oh, well, how many? 44, 43, 42.
41.
Counting down these minutes. Oh, it sounds like we're, come on. Well, not exactly, but
A little bit.
the vibe.
Yeah.
Literally baby.
The little caterpillar. They made that coaster as well, didn't they?
Yeah, and I think they made this one.
I think, yeah.
So, fair play to him. Make your own coaster, why not?
Yeah.
Imagine if we made our coaster.
Oh, I'm not sure it would be very smooth.
I don't know, it'd probably be worse than Iberia, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
50, oh, we've done this quicker. 15 minutes we're on now. It's quite a neat little station, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it. It's
think
really
quite-
cute.
Yeah. It's a bit interesting, isn't it? I don't know if it's quite small, but yeah, it's really quite interesting.
Ooh, they have quite fancy seats as well.
Oh, they do, don't they, to be fair?
8 cars.
It's a bit like a pleasure beach, isn't it, kind of coaster?
Yeah, it gives me Pleasure Beach vibes.
Yeah, but no, I'm quite impressed with this little thing.
Cute.
Yeah, Antelope. What are we on now?
7.
7. We've been told don't go near the back.
No.
We're near the back, Av. It'll be good, won't it?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Good. Yeah, we're excited then.
Yeah.
ERT of Antelope. Oh, what's going on there? Sounds good.
It does.
We've been warned.
We are.
Yeah. Are you ready though, Ev?
Yes.
For the Antelope.
Woo!
Let's go. 7. Fast leave out. Oh, it's a 7. 7. Right, let's go. Wow, Ev, what did you think of the old Antelope?
That's the strangest coaster I've ever been on.
You can tell it's been made by in-house, can't you?
Yeah, definitely, because you're like, ooh, and then smooth, smooth.
If anyone says the Wickerman jolt on the left hill's bad,
Try Antelope.
yeah, all you do is go, but it's fun. It's a fun ride.
To be fair,
It's
we're all
not that
laughing.
rough, is it?
No.
No, it's all a good laugh. It's all good fun. It's pretty much like the ones at Pleasure Beach.
Yeah, it is very similar.
So, shall we go back on then?
Why not?
Come on then, round 2. Oh, the music stops now. Hopefully it's not copyrighted.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is what we like about ERTs, isn't it, this?
Yeah.
Where's the octopus is on there, then isn't it? There's the octopus there.
Yeah.
We know all about the octopus and the antelope. Have fun, guys. Oh, I have cursed bears over here, haven't we? We've broke it and we've only been on it once.
Yeah, they're all stuck.
Yeah. Perhaps a coaster full of adults isn't the best, is it?
Yeah.
So overshot the brake run, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's because everyone's so excited and screaming. Yeah, we're on Antelope and just went straight through, didn't it? But the team's on the way to fix it. They're very nice. I think they're going
Very nice.
I think they're sending it again, actually.
Oh,
That's fair play, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Let's not wait. Send it again. Oh, they've escaped, haven't they?
Yeah, they are.
We asked them to send it again, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. And they're like,
No! But no. Oh, we're going to go on then. Where shall we sit? We'll just sit where we get
we're in
put.
row 5.
Yeah, I'm not fussed. We'll just go where we can, won't we,
Yeah,
Ev?
wherever's free.
You know where we just jump on.
Yeah.
Well, I've ride too. What did you think?
Fun.
It is really fun, isn't
Yeah, we had row 4 that time.
Yeah.
Actually, I'd say it's rougher on the front compared to the back.
it? Yeah, let's see if we can get right at the front.
Yeah.
But I still quite enjoy it though. It's not a bad
is.
coaster. Have a look out there.
It's a laugh, isn't it?
It's a laugh,
And it is
isn't
like
it?
riding a horse. Like,
It's not quite Wickham on, is
No.
it? It's never going to be, was
no,
it?
but it's fun.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Round 3, Ev.
Yeah,
We're going to do
round
it.
three.
We can do it. Should we see if we can go from this time?
Yeah.
We'll do our best, won't we? Let's give it a go. That's what we wanted instead.
Yeah, front row.
Front row. We're going for our front row, Ev. Yeah, right there. The Antelope. Oh, the gate's open. The pens are open.
Take heed.
There's no escape to the right.
Yeah. Thanks for your participation.
Wow, that was good then, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really fun, wasn't it?
And did our little ERT on the front row.
I'm glad we ended it on the front row. That was
Yeah,
really
it's
good.
really good, wasn't it? I
Yeah.
enjoyed that ride. It wasn't too bad at all.
No.
Mini Wicker, man.
Yeah, cute.
You found the shop? Yeah, it's open. Not a full shot there. There's loads of stuff over here, isn't there? Can't stay away, can we? Oh, the blind sweet.
Look at these
Oh,
little
yeah.
dip-dab things. And a giant lollipop.
Menu up there, coffees and things.
Ooh.
Nice little sitting area.
Yeah.
It's really nice, actually.
Really
isn't
nice.
it?
I'm
Yeah.
really loving this park.
Yeah, really nice little family-friendly park.
And the sun's just come out.
Well, Antelope, what did you think?
Yeah, that was really fun. Obviously it's not the best wooden coaster that I've ever been on, but
It's not the worst either.
no, it's really not, and it's not half as rough as I expected. And yeah, it was fun.
It was a fun little coaster, and it's one of those that's probably a little bit bigger because it's a family park.
Yeah,
You probably class it as a 1.2 or something on the sign. You guys can check the footage. But no, it's good for those little kids, isn't it? Ready for the first kind of real thrill seeker experience.
yeah, really, really good.
I think they'd really enjoy it. We really enjoyed it. Thank you, Mark and Stacey, for organising the ERT.
And thank you to the staff. You've been absolutely fantastic.
If you like this one, guys, leave a like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Marshmallow toast in there, Ev.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if Ben's brought his.
Oh, we should ask him.
Yeah.